हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आरएसडी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल आरएसडी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेकर के आया हूं छत्तीसगढ़ माध्यमिक शिक्षा मंडल, छत्तीसगढ़ बोर्ड ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन रायपुर एकेडमिक सेशन 2021-22 का मंथ नवंबर का असाइनमेंट नंबर 4 क्लास है 12, सब्जेक्ट है इंग्लिश। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आपको दिया हुआ है, वाई वॉज द क्रॉफ्टर सो टॉकेटिव एंड फ्रेंडली विथ पेडलर। आंसर है इसका, Crofter was a lonely person without wife and child. He was also an old man, so he became very happy when he received the peddler as his guest, because now he had someone to talk to. Thus, the crofter was so talkative and friendly. Question number 2 है, what made the peddler accept Adla Williamson's invitation? Answer है, first the peddler took the invitation as an alarm and thought that accepting it would be like letting oneself step into lion's den. He thought so because he had stolen money. But when he saw Edla, she was full of compassion and friendly in nature, and was very persuasive about talking the home with peddler home with her. So the peddler bowed down to her invitation. Question 3 है, how did Charlie make sure that he was not in the present time? Answer है, in various way Charlie made sure that he was not in present time, as he was on third level and not on second level. On the third level there were few ticket windows. They looked very old and had wooden frames. He could see open flame gas lights. People wore beards, mustaches, long skirts, etc. He also saw locomotives and the 1894 issue of newspaper, The World. Charlie bought 2 tickets for Galsburg but was unable to pay the money as he had modern currency with him. The ticket clerk threatened to get Charlie arrested for the currency fraud and Charlie fled from the third level. Question 4 है, grow more trees to reduce pollution. Write an article in 150 to 200 words on the topic given above for your school magazine. आपको एक आर्टिकल लिखना है 150 to 200 वर्ड्स में। जो टॉपिक है वो है ग्रो मोर ट्रीज टू रिड्यूस पोल्यूशन। आंसर हो जाएगा, पोल्यूशन इज वन ऑफ द सीरियस प्रॉब्लम faced by the whole world. These are constituents of toxicants which pollute the environment. It is increasing day by day. It also causes many diseases like bronchitis, lung cancer, cholera, etc. There are many types of pollution like land pollution, water pollution, air pollution, and many others. It is caused due to human carelessness towards environment. Human greediness had break all the barriers. Pollution can be reduced by growing more and more trees, because trees and plants are one of the reasons why mankind came into existence. Due to trees and plants, the environment of the earth is favorable for all beings. Trees also absorb all harmful gases and give us fresh air to breathe. Due to trees, we get rain and life on earth, which cannot be imagined without presence of water. Thus, trees are most important part of every species present on this earth. But human has become such blind that he is cutting more and more trees for land and other facilities. He has completely forget that he is living in this world due to them. Human get numberless advantages from trees, but why he is cutting trees? Just for money and land. We all are well known that without trees we can't live in this world. So trees are most important for us. We must grow more and more trees to reduce pollution. These trees exhale the pollutants. We have to represent this boon given by God to us but not to cut them. If we cut them, then the level of pollution would increase. We must have to grow a tree on our birthday, other festivals and occasions. This make our environment pollution free, and we will also able to took part in this good deed. Thus, we must grow more and more trees. Question 5 है, media has a strong hold on society. Write a speech in 125 to 150 words on how media influences public opinion to be delivered in the school assembly. आपको एक स्पीच लिखनी है 125 टू 150 वर्ड्स में. उसका टॉपिक है हाउ मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसेस पब्लिक ओपिनियन, और ये जो स्पीच है आपको स्कूल असेंबली में देना है. तो कैसी होगी स्पीच? स्पीच के लिए जो ओपनिंग लाइन है वो आप अपने से तैयार कर सकते हैं. स्पीच का जो मेन कंटेंट है वो मैं यहाँ पर दे रहा हूँ. आंसर है, द मीडिया प्लेज a prominent essential role in the formation of public opinion through several influential organs such as the press, radio, television, cinema, theater, books and social networking sites, which is one of the most important means of communication with the public. This means of influencing work in combination and in the consistency and integrity of the formation of public opinion on various topics and circumstances and situations and problems that present themselves on the mind and that relate to various aspects of political, social, culture or economical. The press is one of the most powerful media and most capable of forming public opinion and the formation of the conscience of the masses through what is published in articles, commentaries, news and investigations, photographs and cartoons, and adopt modern journalism heavily on pictures and drawings in influencing public opinion. The cartoon is one of the most powerful weapons of the modern journalism because it draws the attention of the reader and contemplates a long performs to the subject matter and conscience immediately, and thus takes effective and successful manner. Television is the latest mean of influencing public opinion because it offers audiovisual world and the world at the same time together. The social network is considered the most prevalent on the internet because of its characteristics that distinguishes it from websites. Most of the youth are connected to various social networking sites, and there is no restriction on these platforms about what you are sharing. Thus, these platforms have become the biggest influencers and manipulators in today's society. People surfing these platforms sometimes make their own perception about any incident, ideology, person, or society, and they share their negative views on these platforms, which influences others. And people also believe on such types of posts without knowing the actual reason behind it. Thus, by the above said description, we can say that media has become biggest influencer of the society as it has a strong hold on the society. In the end, I would like to say that one must not get easily influenced by any news, thoughts, posts or quotes available on various media platforms without knowing the actual facts or reasons behind them. अब क्योंकि ये स्पीच है तो इस स्पीच का जो ओपनिंग लाइन है वो आप अपने हिसाब से तैयार कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको एक्चुअल में ये स्पीच देनी होती तब आपको वो ओपनिंग लाइन बोलने की आवश्यकता है, ज़रूरत है, लेकिन यहाँ पर ये जो कंटेंट है ये आपके आंसर के रूप में सफिशेंट है. ठीक है, तो विद दिस वी कम टू द एंड ऑफ दिस असाइनमेंट सोल्यूशन. और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, वीडियोस को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के ग्रुप में, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में और अदर ग्रुप्स में जहाँ पर भी इसकी ज़रूरत है. और जुड़े रहिए हमारे चैनल के साथ. आने वाले जो भी लेटेस्ट असाइनमेंट सोल्यूशन है और वीडियो जो लेक्चर्स हैं उनके लिए. और आई होप आपको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया होगा और आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन ही हमारा मोटिवेशन है. थैंक यू सो मच.